You can pick up your medicine at the pharmacy.
Okay, great, thanks. Estimated wait time, 45 minutes? Ever wondered why some lines are long and some lines are short? There's a whole branch of mathematics dedicated to studying that, and it's called queuing theory. The different ways that people are served in a queue are called queue disciplines. For example, at a coffee shop, you would use a FIFO, or a first in, first out queue discipline. This first come, first serve model is the most basic and commonly used queue discipline. However, at a hospital, FIFO would not be the best option. An emergency room treats patients based on the severity of their condition, not by who arrived first. Therefore, a service to priority, or PR queue discipline, would be utilized instead. One of the most common theorems in queuing theory is Little's Law. The three components of Little's Law are L, the number of items in line, lambda, the rate at which items arrive in and out, and W, the average time one spends being in line. Let's say I'm running a lemonade stand and you want to find out how long it'll take for you to get a cup of lemonade. Well, we can still use Little's Law, but instead have W equal L divided by lambda. Let's say I process orders at a rate of 2 per minute, and there are 5 customers in line. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, which means you can have an expected wait time of around 2.5 minutes. Now, what happens when my business starts to take off?
Hey, this line is way too long. Can you hurry it up over there? Ugh, I'm out of here.
Then I would simply add another server, When using Little's Law to make calculations when there are multiple servers operating a system, you would use variable n to represent the number of servers. What you just saw with the frustrated customer at the lemonade stand was an example of reneging. Reneging is when people that are waiting in the queue leave because it's moving too slowly. Balking, jockeying, and reneging are all examples of queue behavior, or how customers react to the queue. Balking is when people don't even get into a queue because they think it's too long, and jockeying is when people move from one queue to another because they think the other one is moving at a faster rate. Queuing theory is utilized across all industries to optimize wait times. Next time you're waiting in a long line, ask yourself these questions. Is this the most optimal queue discipline? What ways can this line be improved? When you see a long line, will you balk? Or try waiting it out and renege if it's moving too slowly? Anyways, you probably have your next video queued up. That's all for now.